Happy morning. Myself Ivan Rosh. I am studying in seniors class. I am a pilot. I fly aeroplanes. Carry people through sky safely through sky. I work hard with strong focus. Sky is my dream home. Thank you.
Friends, happy morning. My name is Satarva. I'm studying in senior class. I am a chef. I make tasty dishes. I often create new dishes. Thank you.
Friends, happy morning. My name is Shivnare. I am studying in seniors class. I am a farmer. I grow crops, yummy fruits and vegetables for you. I take care of farm animals and work hard to bring fresh food to your table. Thank you.
Friends, happy morning. My name is Ronit. I'm studying in seniors class. I am a postman. I deliver letters parcel to your home. I am like a special messenger, bringing smiles and surprises to your doorsteps. Thank you. Happy morning. My name is Jason. I'm studying in seniors class. I am a soldier. I am working in the army. I protect the nation. I am very proud to be Indian soldier. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm studying in seniors class. I'm a teacher. I help you to learn good things and good manners. Here to guide you in moving a right path. Thank you.
Hello friends, happy morning. I'm myself Devina. I'm studying in seniors class. My school name is Florets. I am a nurse. I help the doctors by treating the patients. I make sure everyone feels better soon. Thank you.